In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can give access to someone on your Shopify store. So this can be very helpful if, depending really what you want to, like maybe for editing, for managing, and it's a good option to help you manage your store. And staff accounts really allow to give different permissions so you can control what each person can access on Shopify. So I'm going to show you right now. So what you're going to have to do is to click on settings here. Make sure you click on settings. And then here on settings, as you can see, we have customer accounts, but also user permissions and obviously more, many other settings and options. Now we're going to have to click on user and permissions. And from here, guys, you can simply very easily add collaborators. You can generate a request code. So you can anyone can send a collaborator calls. Only people will collaborate. Okay, sure, that's good here. You can upgrade. Make sure you upgrade to give staff access to your store and control what they're each allowed to do. So for that, you're gonna have to click on upgrade. If you already have that, probably here, not probably 100%, you're gonna have the option for staff accounts. You just need to upgrade. If you already upgraded, you're gonna see the option here on users and permissions. Now if you want to transfer ownership from here, you can do it. And for collaborators, to give extra designers, developers, and marketers access to your Shopify admin, you can do it from here. You can share this code to allow someone to send you a collaborator request. You'll still need to review and approve their request. So share this code to allow someone to send you a collaborator request. So that's what you're going to have to do, because you're going to grant that person, grant temporary access to specific areas of your store. And this, as I said, this can be very helpful for situations where you need an external, um, like a partner, for freelancing agency, for, as it says here, maybe you need a developer, and this can be very helpful. So this Shopify uses a security measure called this collaborator request code. And the process is pretty straightforward. As I said, we just need to go to settings, users and permissions, and click on generate new code. And this will create um, a unique, collaborator request code. You can copy this code and to your clipboard and share it with that person. So I hope you found this video helpful. This helped you. Thanks for watching and take care.